everyone. So I'm Soumya Kapoor, and today I'll be discussing another interesting career with you, which is tech career. So there are multiple options in the domain of technology. Lots and lots of new careers have come up in technology as well. It's a booming industry and developing with time. All of us are familiar with it. We are using technology on a day to day basis. In today's video, this will be like a long series of video. So, this will be a long video wherein we'll discuss about technology as a career and what are certain specific degrees, their eligibility criteria, what kind of time does it take to complete the degree, and what are some of the common entrances and common options in terms of the entrance exam when we look at this career domain. So let us quickly deep dive into the tech careers right now. So whenever we are planning to take up tech careers at a school level or a college level, so at a school level, the first thought comes up is we should have a physics, chemistry, and math combination. Now that may be a general notion, but it may not be true in your case. So if you have math and computer science, or you have a different math with AI, some different kind of subject combination, you have a logical mindset, still you can pursue the field of technology. So there is no restriction that you need to have sciences to do that. But in general, the criteria is PCM is a good combination to take up in order to pursue tech careers. Now, what are the various careers that we can look at? Lots and lots of them. Like, for example, data scientist is one very interesting career. Cybersecurity expert is the second career. Then there are certain engineers like network engineers, IT related domain, building up a lot of things in technology. So lots and lots of options are there when it comes to these careers. Most of the time, the students usually go through the field of BTech in computer sciences or IT, AI, like a BTech kind of degree, which is a 4 years, usually a 4 years degree from an Indian perspective. But you can also take up bachelor's in sciences. You can also take up mathematics, statistics as the career options. You can take up a bachelor's in computer sciences and technology, IT. Lots and lots of bachelors are available. So BTech is something which is not compulsory, but as a trend, yes, BTech is something which is quite common. So BTech is usually taken up, but there are different course options, dear students. So after 12th, you have multiple course options, and for students who are doing graduation, you also have multiple degree options. So you can plan masters, you can plan MTech. If you want a different domain, you can plan a business kind of perspective, MBA or similar degrees also. Another option is if you're doing graduation and you're in college, you need not plan a master's directly. You can build your skills and upskill yourself in technology. So then it's more of applied field. So along with education, there is also a skill set which is equally important in this field. So if we start building on the skill set part, for example, if you're good in coding and then probably you are learning Python in depth and then you start applying Python, you're building a lot of things to the coding language. So that's a skill set what the industry is looking for. So similarly, rather than only focusing on the education part and the specific degree, you also start building your skill set along with it. And with skill set, what do I mean? The first step is professional certifications, and the second step is industry based internships or experiences in the field. So the more you gain those kind of experiences, the better understanding you will have of the domain. That's the major idea, not just in tech field but in other fields also, but it's quite common in this specific career domain. So if you want to know more about tech careers, you want to build your career in that, do reach out on my website at soumyakapoor.com, and this is our WhatsApp number. So please reach out on our WhatsApp. just send us a message and our team will call you back. Thank you so much.